Today we'll talk about how can you add apps or websites on your Stayfree app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for your list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. Then come to next tip here. Then all you have to do, just click here on usage limits in tracking here. Then come to next tip here and then you click here on ignore lists. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on add app or website here. And here can you select here app or website you want to add. So when you select it here, just click on save, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.